today's video is on a back to school or a easy, quick, everyday work look. I did want to mention that I am still going to do the series. It's just that I wanted to do this video because I think it's something that I need on my channel. So yeah, with that being said, let's start. I think it is very important when you're going to school or work to hydrate your face, prep your face. And I know you don't have that much time because you're probably in a rush, etc. So you only have maybe 5 minutes to prep your face and maybe like 10 minutes to do your makeup. So this is what we're going to do here. A quick, easy look and prepping your face before. I'm putting this headband on, and this is a makeup headband by Vintage Co Cosmetics. Since you don't have a lot of time when you're going to school or work, a 5-minute sheet mask is good. So this is from the Patchology and Kimchi lookbook. I did go to their event, which I was honored to attend that event, and this is how they look. They're just so beautiful, oh my goodness. And I had the honor of meeting Kimchi. If you don't know who Kimchi is, go look her up. So I thought that let's do the little fun masking time before we apply the makeup. And I don't know, I thought maybe this one would be cute. It's this blue one. So they are all hydrating sheet mask, which is very important because, you know, with school and work, you might get stressed, you forget to drink water and stuff like that. So this is good to hydrate your face. We're going to be applying this. This is so exciting. I've never had a sheet mask that was like this. I've always had the plain old, I know they have like cute little animal ones. So yeah, this is just amazing because this is literally something that she has painted before on her face.
Like, look at this. That is so cool.
Just apply it on the face.
I have kimchi face right now on my face.
Okay, so you leave this on for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, and we're gonna remove it. I totally forgot that I had done my eyebrows, so I'm not gonna try to touch my eyebrows like that too much. So what you want to do is just the extra serum that's left, just spread it all over the face, bring it down to your neck. Avoid the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I use the Ka-Brow by Benefit, one of my favorites when you're in a rush all the time, when you have kids, etc. So this is perfect for school days or work days. What I'm going to do is prep my face with rose water, just so that you can hydrate the face a little more. And then I'm going to go in with this makeup extender setting spray, and this is the Infallible by L'Oreal, which is one of my all-time favorites, and it was hidden behind all of my makeup. I'm like, where have you been all my life? I love this thing. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. It's like perfect. Like, it really makes the makeup last. I love applying this before I apply my makeup and then after as well, because it really extends the longevity of your makeup. Also going to apply a lip mask. Then you're gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a primer, and this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And I love blurring primers because I do have ugly pores, so this one is okay. It's not one of the best out there. It's the only one I have right now, so. When I was in school, I didn't like to use foundation, and I didn't like to use foundation when I went to work because I just feel like you sweat, you're running around, and yeah, foundation for me and school and work don't mix. So what I have here is a tinted moisturizer by Beauty For Real. Of course, concealer. I used to use concealer as foundation because it was just not too heavy and it worked for me. For anyone that does want to use foundation, go ahead. But I'm just going to be applying a tinted moisturizer. And just a little tiny bit so that we can have a little bit of coverage. I'm going to be using a beauty sponge, and this is by Shayna B Miami. And this is a really good sponge. I think it's the Bake Up because it has these edges here that you can get there when you want to bake. Oh my goodness, this sponge is everything. Okay, so I'm just going to be blending that in all over the face. So I do have a couple of acne scars, and I'm going to be obviously covering my dark circles. So I'm going to go in with this Josie Maran concealer, and it's from their Vibrancy line, and this is argan oil infused concealer, and I've been loving this stuff. This is so good. It has such great coverage and it's so moisturizing. I feel like other concealers didn't do as well under my eye area, but this is so good. So I'm just going to be blending that in. And look, it already covered my scars and it's not even too heavy. I seriously, I'm in love with this. Like, I don't even think I needed to use a tinted moisturizer. This itself would have been perfect. Honestly, this concealer as well does not move. You apply it, you would think because it's oil based that it would be like oily and that it would go everywhere. This, once you apply it and you apply a powder on top, that's it. You lock it. It's not going anywhere. What I like to do is set my whole face. We don't have time for baking or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is take this ColourPop translucent powder, and this is from their No Filter collection. And I'm going to be taking a Shayna B Kabuki Buffer. I'm going to be applying this all over the face. Have you seen Patrick Star? You know how he ODs with the powder? Yeah, that's what we're doing, so that it stays intact. Especially under the eye area. Might look a little pale at first because it's translucent powder and you're applying it all over the face, but once you start applying other products on your face, it'll blend in, it'll look better. Okay, so trust me. For bronzer, sculpting your face, highlighting your face, I think having a palette like this, which is the Sculpt and Glow palette by Profusion, is amazing. I think this is just like $10. You could find it at Target or you can order it from Profusion Cosmetics. No, I'm not trying to sell these products to you. I'm just saying this is a good thing to have because when you're in a rush, you have everything in one palette. So what I'm going to do is contour my face. The light contour, and I'm going to be contouring my cheeks. Contouring all parts of my face that I want contoured, which is the cheeks, the nose, under the chin, and a little bit of the forehead. So I'm going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar blush. The reason why I like to use a blush is because, you know, you look alive. You don't look like you just woke up and you just kept walking. So giving a little color to your cheeks is always helpful. For the eyes, I like to keep it simple. I don't like to apply lashes. This is the Pure Cosmetics Soiree Diaries palette, and it's such a beautiful neutral palette. It looks like this. What I'm going to do is take Gala and start putting that into the crease and blending that out just so that it can be a nice transition color. Social Light, which is this light peachy color. I'm going to be applying that just on the lid just to give it some color. Lastly, I'm going to darken a little bit more the crease area, so I'm going to be using Stunner, which is this nice brown color. So now with Cosmo, which is this dark brown, but it's a shimmery color, Cosmo. And I'm just going to be applying that to the lash line, like if it was eyeliner, basically. And then with the Gala color, or Socialite color, sorry, which is the peachy color, you can go over that just in case you lost any color and blend it out a little. For the under eye area, I just take Gala, which is the light brown color, and darken that up a little tiny bit, not too much. Perfect! That's how it looks. We're gonna do the highlight on the brow bone, on the inner corner, add mascara, and that's it for this look. Smashing! And I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner and the brow bone. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm telling you, Profusion is killing it. Look at that. So now I'm just going to curl the lashes, and a lash curler is a must in your makeup kit. So make sure you get a lash curler if you don't have one. I like to pump it. They say pump 1, 2, 3, but I pump it more than 3 times because a girl wants her lashes super, 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 super curled. Yeah, that's how I want my lashes curled. Okay, so today's mascara is this Wander Beauty Unleashed mascara, and I've been loving this mascara. I got it in my BoxyCharm and I love it. So I'm going to apply that on the top and bottom lashes. Okay, now that the mascara is on the eyes, I'm going to go in and highlight my cheekbones, and I'm using the same color, which is Smashing. I'm going to go in with this Profusion Matte Lip Cream, and the reason why I'm going to go with this color is because it's a nice light pinkish nude color, and I think that's perfect for a everyday look. I'm topping it off with a lip plumper, and this is Lip Plumper by Winky Lux, and I've been loving this lip plumper. Last thing is to set your face, and I'm using the same setting spray that I used before, which is the L'Oreal Infallible, and that's pretty much it. This is how I do my makeup for school or work. I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.